Hey everybody, Joe here. Back at the babbling brook that I was earlier on during the week. I think I'm going to call this Camp Crooked. There's nothing straight in this place at all and I absolutely love it. There's a beautiful magic about it. But I just wanted to show you a trick really quickly while I'm at this stream, because I want to find a tree to sit in and fill up my empty water bottle. Now, the method I'm going to show you just requires a green branch, no tools, no power cord, no knives, just something that's green, still has a bit of spring in it. And this is also a great one for if you're doing a basic class or you're trying to do a 5-10 minute water boil exercise and the fire is super tall and you want to get your bottle out of the middle of it. You're going to melt your power cord, which I've seen happen. You're going to maybe try and go the low-tech way of sticking your stick into the top of the bottle and trying to wedge it out, and that does work, and I've done it myself, but unfortunately you lose an awful lot of water too, trying to culminate the resources. So you want to find yourself a green stick, nice and easy, something about as thick as your finger. This is just shy of my index, maybe probably closer to my baby finger, and this works with any bottle that has a shoulder in it. You want to just measure your stick roughly to the diameter of your bottle, maybe give yourself a little bit more, and snap it. This is why it has to be green, because you need to have that bit of flex in it. So what you're going to do, if you snap your branch off properly, it's just insert it in the top of your bottle, and well, I'm going to lower it into the creek here and get myself some water. So there you have it, guys. Water retrieved, crooked stick. Just make sure it's green, the width of your bottle, and it's easy game, easy life for around camp. And if you have a few checks in it up here, you can even hang it over the fire. As always, be safe in the woods, have a good time, and Joe from Camp Crooked out.